Hello guys, this is another Sunday morning and here we are here making our steady money guys. So I decided to fund a $10 again this morning. Each time I fund $10 I make like about let's say 100 or thereabouts. I pull it out and fund again, so I keep using it to make more money guys. So as you guys can see, this is the crossover guys. Can you see? And look at our indicator window one. For my indicator window one, can you see there's the RSI crossed above the 50 level, and you can see from the main chart, you can see the divergence. Can you see the price was making a was can you see divergence here? And from our MACD, if you can trace it, the price was making a higher high. Why in the price was making a higher low. From the price it was making a higher low, and in an indicator window 2 in the MACD it was making a higher high. Can you see the divergence there? So I took my position. This is a 50. The black line is a 50 exponential moving average. I didn't want to take my trade below the 50 exponential moving average, because the 50 exponential moving average serves as a pivot level, understand, whether buying or selling. So I patiently waited for there to be a close above the 50 level, and our envelope, you can see our envelope coming from the demand level. Can you see that? So I quickly took my position guys. So take a look guys, simple as that. From $10 now, if I like now, take a look guys, take a look. I made my trend line. For me to determine my take profit level. Can you see it touches here, came down, touches again, came down. Now it's touching that trend line again. So I am taking my TP right at that spot guys, right at that spot. Can you see that? It's touching the trend line again. Can you see guys? It came from here, touched the trend line. Can you see? I made my trend line, and it came down guys, and it came down guys, excuse me guys, it came down guys, and it's making its way upward to that trend line again. So I'm taking my TP right at this level guys. So that's way until if it happens to break this trend line and make its way upward, and I check my indicator windows, and if I happen to check my indicator windows and it's aligned, I will go ahead and continue my buying position guys. But right at this spot I am taking my TP. That's what it is guys. Can you see? It has dropped like about $3. So guys, this is how we make our money. As simple as that guys. We keep making the money. You can see the MACD making its way upward, and our envelope coming from the demand level making its way upward. Can you see? You can see the crossover here, and the red and the green crossed over, telling you that it is buying. And since then we have been buying guys. We've been buying. So guys, I want you to key into this and make money just the same way I am doing guys. I love you all. Apply it and let me know the result guys. So guys, like I told you guys, I took my position right at this spot at the above 50 exponential moving average, and closed at this at the touch of the trend line, the price touching the trend line. Why? Because I told you guys that I already made you can see the price reaction at this level. You can see the price reaction at this level. I took my profit at that place because I already know that without knowing my my pivot levels, like that's the support, resistance, and consolidation. I told you that that is where exactly I'm taking my profit, because I know that there must be a market reaction at that level, guys. Why? Because take a look. Let me minimize this and show you guys what I did. Can you see? Check a look, guys. The price already made its way up to this level, came down, retested this level, came down again. So I made my trend line. Can you see that trend line there? I made my trend line. So the signal gave me a buy position at this spot, because the green and the red crossed over. And can you see? Take a look, guys. The moving average crossed above the 50 level. Can you see that? And now look at the MACD coming from the down, making its way upward. Can you see that? Can you see that? And you can see the envelope making its way also upward, guys. So I took my position, noting that I will take my profit at this level. That is what I did exactly, guys. That is what I did. Can you see that? That is exactly what I did, guys, and I took my profit at that level. So now take a look, guys, again. Take a look what I did again. Take a look at this trade, guys. I placed this trade. Why did I place this trade, guys? Excuse me, I'm coming. Now take a look, guys. I saw this crossover in the main chart. You see the crossover in the main chart, and it also broke the trend line. This trend line that I did, I put this trend line. Can you see that? I placed that trend line there. You can see that. You can see the breakout of the price above the trend line. Can you see that? And there was a cross of both moving average. And now take a look at my RSI. Can you see that? Is above 50 level. Now take a look at my MACD. My MACD is coming from the demand level. From the demand level, guys. It's coming from the demand level. Can you see that? From 10 and 20 level, and it is making its way upward. Can you see that, guys? And also my envelope is also coming from the demand level too, making its way upward. So what did I do? I entered the position. I entered a buy position. So I'm expecting to take my TP right at this spot or way above this level. Can you see that? I'm expecting to take my TP right at this spot or way above this level. But let's watch and see how the trade plays out, guys. Let's see how it plays out. So without further ado, let me show you guys the setting, guys. We'll head over to our indicators list. Head over to our indicators list. The first on the list is our parabolic star. Okay, we have our parabolic star. The parameters are 0.02. The step 0.02. The maximum is 0.2. 2 pixels. You choose the color of your choice. Okay, the next one is a fractal. Okay, the reason why I always use a fractal is because fractal always show me points where I can place my trend line. That is the reason why I always use fractal. Fractal will show you points from point to point, from one point to the other, where you can easily align your trend line without being confused. That's the reason why I always use a fractal, guys. The next one is a moving average. Okay, moving average, guys. The first one is a moving average, guys. Okay, the parameters are period 5, shift 0, method simple, apply to, close, style 3 pixel, and the color is green, or you use the color of your choice, guys. Okay, the next one is a moving average. Okay, the parameters are period 13, shift 0, method simple, apply to, close, style 3 pixel, red, or you choose the color of your choice. And the next on the list is a moving average. The parameters are period 50, shift 0, Method exponential. Apply to close. Style 4 pixel and the color is black, or you choose the color of your choice. Okay, in our indicator window 1, guys, we have a relative strength index. Okay, we have a relative strength index. So the parameters are period 14, apply to close, style 3 pixel, blue color, or you choose the color of your choice. In our levels, we have a level 50, and you choose the color of your choice. So in our indicator window 2, guys, we have our MACD. Okay, the parameters are fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, the MACD SMA 9, apply to close. The style, the main is a 3 pixel, signal 3 pixel. You choose the color of your choice, guys. While the level is a 0. Okay. In the same indicator window 2, we have our moving average. Okay, we have our moving average. The parameters are period 5, shift 0, method simple, apply to previous indicators data, style 3 pixel, and the color is a blue, or you choose the color of your choice. So in the same indicator window 2, we have our relative strength index. We have a relative strength index. The parameters are period 1, apply to close, style 3 pixel. The color here is you make it the color of your chart background. So my chart background is white, so that's why I applied white here. If your chart background is black, you apply black in your own. So these are the levels, guys. The levels are 90, 80, 20, and 10. Okay, that's it. So in our indicator window 3, we have a relative strength index. Relative strength index. The parameters are period 1, apply to close. We have a style as a 2 pixel. So like I explained in the previous the other explanation, if your chart background is white, you also use white. If your chart background is black, you use black. Like mine is white, so that's why I'm using a white. White, yes. That's why I'm using a white here. So we have our levels here. Okay, our levels. We have a level 90, which is 80 entry, 50 TP, 20 entry, and we have a 10 as buy. And you choose the color of your choice, guys. So that's it, guys. Okay, we have the least but not the last. We have our envelope, guys. Our envelope. Okay, we have our envelope, and our parameters are period 1, shift 0, deviation 0.000, method smoothed, apply to close. The upper band is a 2 pixel blue, lower band is a 2 pixel red. So you choose the color of your choice, and that's it, guys. Wow, can you guys see the result? I told you guys. Now what are you seeing? Can you see the result? I told you guys that I don't fake it. When I say this is what it is, that is exactly it. Will look as if the price is obeying your command. Can you see? When I was explaining this, the price was right at this spot. And you see, price was around here. So, can you see what price is doing? Shooting up. I told you that I will be taking the TP here or way above this level. And what is happening? It's going right in that direction. I told you guys that these indicators that I carefully selected, they are price action time based. They work in connection with the price. They work like you can take out from $10, guys. $10. Just this morning, I funded a $10 just this morning. Can you take a look, guys? I funded a $10 this morning. Just take a look. $10. I've already made a 35. I've already made a 35 profit. These are my balance. So if I happen to close this trade, I should be having like about 57. Wow, guys! Wow! This is amazing, guys. Can you say that? From 10. The other day I made like with 10, and you made like about 100 or 98 or so. Yeah. Can you see that? and it is amazing, guys. I told you guys, this is crazy. It is still going upward. It's still moving upward, guys. Still shooting up. I'm expecting it to go right in the sky. Can you see that? You can see the breakout right at this spot. You can see it broke our trend line, and you can see that our indicators are also giving the same signal right at that breakout where I plotted my trend line. The two moving average, the green and the red, also crossed over there right at that spot. Can you see? Now take a look, guys. Even our RSI, take a look our MACD at the demand level. Take a look at the envelope at also the demand level, shooting up, guys. Now this is crazy, guys. Now even if I'm to align this thing with my horizontal my vertical line, guys. Now take a look right at this spot. Can you see? Right at that spot, bim, it shoots right up, guys. Really crazy, guys. I'm giving out this strategy. I'm recalling this strategy and giving more elaborative explanation concerning these strategies. I'm giving it out to you guys as Christmas gifts, guys. It's free of charge, guys. Go fund your account and make money for yourself, guys. Can you see 60? Crazy as it can. I told you guys that with little amount of money you can make it big in trading, guys. I told you guys it, and it's happening. Check my past strategy that I keep posting. I told you guys I don't come here to joke. I might be away for a long time handling one project or the other, but once it comes to trading and giving you guys the right information, I'm always, well, let me not praise myself, but I would tell you that I know what I'm doing. I exactly know what I'm doing, guys, when it comes to trading. Yes, I know that I'm not investing big, but with the little that I'm investing and teaching you guys, I know that, yes, I'm in the right track. And I also want you guys to be in the right track too, guys. Whoa! Love you guys. Apply this and give your testimony. I love you guys.